Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. If you guys have seen my other videos on other watches and gadgets, and have liked my other videos, or if you guys are gonna like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel at the end of this video. So today we are going to be talking about the DM58 fitness tracker smartwatch, and it is important to note that this smartwatch has two versions, one black and white and the other color screen, okay? So I am going to be doing a review on the color screen version, and this will be my very first time using this watch actually. So let's go through this together. So this is the package that it comes with. Depending on your seller, you might have a different package. But this one is, I think, is the pretty standard package. Very simple. It also has the app code on here, which is the eyewear app, it looks like. So if you guys do want to go ahead and immediately download this app without even reading into the instruction manual, you can actually scan this code with your phone's QR code scanner, and you will automatically be prompted to install the app, which is the easiest way to do it. So this watch, it looks like it has quite a bit of features, mainly fitness related. Okay, so you're gonna have a heart rate monitor, you're gonna have a calories monitor, step counter, SMS reminder, call reminder, distance tracking, sleep monitoring, and alarm reminder. So quite a bit of features for a watch that is, this would go about for under $50, well under $50, depending on the website, the version, and the seller that you actually purchase this from. So this is gonna go well under $50. If you're lucky, you could probably find it for $30. Okay, so let's get started. This watch is touchscreen, and everything about this watch is, from the band, it's going to be silicone. The case is slightly metallic, I want to say. Slightly aluminum, but it's a very light watch, very small and compact. It charges through a 2-pin magnetic charger, so you don't have to bother with the USB port chargers, which I do hate because it just takes more time every time you want to charge the watch versus a magnetic charger. You can just snap it on and it charges more quickly, in my opinion. So let's put this watch on and see how it looks like. So this is a smaller watch. It could be unisex. I believe girls would actually appreciate this watch more. It's just a smaller watch, and it's not something I would wear to go hang out, but I could wear it if I go to the gym and just want to, or going for a workout. So let's get started. You're gonna have your home screen. This is what it looks like. Very basic, very simple. If you want to go through your features, you want to swipe down. Okay. The touchscreen is not very sensitive, which could be frustrating at times. Okay, so like I said, this is the home screen. If you want to go through each of the features, you want to swipe down. The first one will take you to steps. Obviously, I'm sedentary right now, so it's not going to give me a reading. You're going to have your calories burnt, distance traveled in kilometers. You're going to have your heart rate, which should be giving me something right now, but it's not. So I think the sensor needs to be on, and we got to figure out how to get the sensor on that's at the bottom of this watch. I believe it should light up when it's on and ready to give your heart rate a measure. And you're gonna have your, this looks like it's your blood pressure. Okay. So it could be a little frustrating navigating the first time. This looks like it's your blood pressure. Okay. Your sleep monitor, what it looks like. Your alarm. This looks like an anti-loss function. And then off. And then that basically is the rest of the menu that comes with this watch. It's a very simple watch. It's definitely not like an Android watch where there's a bunch of menu items to navigate through, but all the features are right in front of you, as you have seen. So it's going to take some time to actually go through this watch and see how each of the measurements look like, because you're going to have to be outdoors exercising to see how accurate this watch is. But, you know, just from sitting down, that's basically all the menu items that you need to look at. And if you want to sync your fitness data onto your phone, you would definitely want to take a download of that app that we mentioned, which the code is at the side of the box, and you can connect your watch through Bluetooth to your phone to sync the fitness data that you have. Okay? So that concludes the short video of the DM58 color screen smartwatch. Remember, there are two versions of this watch. One is color screen and the other is not. I will be posting my affiliate links in the video description below, which will lead you to Amazon and eBay to the versions, the screen versions that's available. Okay? So if you guys do purchase this watch through my links below in the video description, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and we will be back with you with more videos just like this. Thank you.